a time of contemplation in the practice together. So I invite you in your own way to relax, to let your shoulders hang down, to just feel yourself supported in the seat where you are. Feel your feet on the ground. And begin your practice. We consciously connect with the breath, feeling the inhale and the exhale, allowing it to expand and lengthen, allowing it to deepen and be full. In line with the sacred teachings around the breath, we acknowledge that it carries us into states of mindfulness and states of consciousness. So we allow ourselves to be cradled in the rhythm of the breath. Just as the Holy Mother cradled the divine birth. Feel its rhythm. Feel its sway. Know that this rhythm calls us more deeply into the core of our being, away from the spaces and places of fear. It is the star that guides us. And following that rhythm, following that star, is wisdom, love, strength, divine protection, having all of our spiritual needs met. It is a gift. So we inhale and exhale into the sacred silence of this gift, leaning in. By the power of this practice, May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.